guys, this is Jammy Dodger 612 here. Today I'm going to review a Britain door closer. Let's get to the unboxing. I've already taken the liberty to open the box. I'm not allowed to have scissors on my own. So here's the product itself. Let's get out of the way. This is the Britain 121 CE door closer by Legion. I bought it off Amazon.co.uk. It was a £20, which I thought was quite good value for money. On the box here, you have the address, the manufacturer number to contact, and the website down here. We also have a basic visualization of different ways of mounting it to the door. On the back side of the box, it also has more information on its specification and such. Ooh. I didn't notice this earlier, but it does have the weight. What door it can be used on. Right. Sorry. Time for the unboxing. So, firstly, we have manuals. This is a certificate of authenticity, which I think will be quite important if you ever need to return it. Installation manual. Won't need to be looking at that at this moment. And I'll actually show you what it will look like if you get it. Oh, careful. Shit. Sorry about that. We have screws here, different sorts of fittings. The unit itself, I'm assuming this is where the arm mounts to it, as so. Good. And a cover cap, and that is all you get in the box. So to conclude this unboxing video and first impressions, seems quite good. One thing I will say though is I don't quite like the colour. I would have preferred it in a pink or a light brown personally, but obviously grey or silver is an industry standard. So far I'll give it 4 bananas on our Jammy Dodger rating. Thank you for watching.